In the last video, we were making our snowman. You will get the link of that video in the description and in the I button above. Now let's start. We will cut 4 sticks to make the snowman's hand. One 15 inches, one 13 inches, one 12 inches, one 10 inches. Fold them and make rings. In the big ring, we'll connect 4 sticks like this. We'll add another small ring to it. We will fold its 2 sticks like this and then cut 2 sticks left. Keeping the stick of the hand in the fold shape, add a ring to it. Add more sticks to this and complete the hand. Adding sticks in this way will make fingers and thumb. Similarly, make the second hand. Fold it on one side like this. In this also, fingers and thumb will be made in this way. Join hands and a stomach stick together like this. You can see the hand is joined. Similarly, we will also add the second hand. Now we will cover both the hand by sticking newspaper. You can see the whole snowman is covered. Now we will cover the snowman's bottom and head with white paper. We'll cover the bottom base part with red paper. Now we will cover the snowman's hat with black paper and the belly with red paper. Friends, our snowman is covered with color paper. We will cover the snowman's hands with white paper like this. We will paste green paper on the neck and waist on the snowman. Now we will decorate the snowman by sticking the paper like this. Make a gift of a box and add it to the hand of the snowman. Friends, finally our snowman is complete. Friends, how did you like our video? Please tell by liking and commenting. If you like it, please share and also subscribe our channel.